Okay, quick video on how to use a zircon water level. What I want to do is string a cable from this tree to this tree. And a water level is perfect for this scenario because there's nothing to measure off of. You know, the ground's uneven and there's no reference point. Now, if you had one of those expensive water levels, expensive oscillating levels, self-levelers for construction work. Those are really nice to have, but those are very expensive. This is about 30-40 bucks. So, but it'll get the job done just as well, although it's a little bit slower. Okay, so let me show you how to use it. Grab a hammer. I'm going to string a cable from tree to tree, so I'm just going to pop a nail in there, hang that up. Now this tube, I need to find the end here. Here's some important points. The water is already filled with, the tube is already filled with water, and all the bubbles are out of the tube. So I think this is about 20-25 feet. So that's very important. Fill it with water, the tube, clamp it. You got 2 clamps right here, and make sure all the air bubbles are out. Okay. Now this thing's very loud, so you want to calibrate it before you move it. So you turn it on, and what you want to do, I'll tie the knot down here. Let me untie this. All right, we'll just start from the end here. Okay, don't do what I just did. Make sure all the knots are out. Okay. All right, so the whole tube is filled with water. And before we start this process, we want to undo our clamps. So we allow atmospheric pressure on both. Okay. And I don't know if you can see that or not, but here's my water level right here. I want to get to where it's on the center of this notch. So I'm just going to keep raising this up, and you'll see the water. All right, right there. Hopefully I'm going to move my head, make sure you can see that. I know you can hear it. That is level. Okay, I'm going to move it so it'll shut up. Okay, so that means I can move this wherever I need it to go. And I'm going to go over here to this other tree. And it's gonna let you know when you're getting close. So over there's my indicator, and I'm going to just keep raising this until it'll start chirping. It's letting you know it's close. Okay, you're hoping for the constant noise, and you got to go slow. Oh, all right, let's get a little higher. And you just have to be patient. We're close. Every time you move it, it equalizes. Oh. Right there. Constant noise, and right there's my level spot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a nail right there, just like that. Okay, so make sure you clamp it again so you don't lose all your water. Clamp this one, and remember the level point is this point right here. So I'm going to put a nail right there, because that's actually our, not here, but right here. Shut that off so I don't have to hear it. Okay, so that's how you use a water level from point A to point B without any kind of reference. So anyway, hope this helps. Okay, this is the finished product. It's a little pistol shooting range, and I got a level. Let's see how accurate that water level was. Now I've got a swag in here, so if I go from high point to high point, it should tell the tale. And it's like, yeah, let's get it centered here. I'm off just a little bit. There we go. Yeah. So I've centered it. Let me center it just a little bit better. Yeah, there we go. All right, so it's an equal distance from each tree, and I am dead on. Hopefully you can see that. So water level works. So there you go.